How to write vertical text in Excel. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how you can change text direction in Microsoft Excel. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, open up your Excel sheet. After it's going to direct you to this page. Right over here, first of all, let's go and type in some sentence or the word. And if you want to make this particular sentence horizontal, or if you want to change the direction, what you need to do, you'll need to tap on it and then you need to go to home. After you tap on home, you see right on top you have this AB icon or rotation. Just tap on the icon and you can see there are different options available. So select either one of these and you can just go ahead and do the same procedure for the rest of the other features. Now if you want to do it for horizontal, then let's go and type in some sentence once again, and you need to just go ahead and go to homes. After that, go to home and just tap on this arrow icon and do the same procedure for the rest of the other features. So if you want to do it in this way, you can do that as well. You need to select the cell first of all, and then you need to drag it to the side if you want to do it for multiple cell. Do the same procedure for this one as well. And that is basically how you can just change the direction of your cell. So in this way you can make change the direction. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.